بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
سأل سائل بعذاب واقع.
A supplicant asked for a punishment bound to happen.
للكافرين ليس له دافع.
To the disbelievers, of it there is no preventer.
من الله ذي المعارج.
It is from Allah, owner of the ways of ascent.
تعرج الملائكة والروح إليه في يوم كان مقداره 50,000 سنة.
The angels and the Spirit will ascend to him during a day the extent of which is 50,000 years.
فاصبر صبرا جميلا.
So be patient with gracious patience.
إنهم يرونه بعيدا.
Indeed, they see it as distant,
ونراه قريبا.
but we see it as near.
يوم تكون السماء كالمهل.
On the day, the sky will be like murky oil,
وتكون الجبال كالعهن.
and the mountains will be like wool,
ولا يسأل حميم حميما.
and no friend will ask anything of a friend.
يبصرونهم يود المجرم لو يفتدي من عذاب يومئذ ببنيه.
They will be shown each other. The criminal will wish that he could be ransomed from the punishment of that day by his children,
وصاحبته وأخيه.
and his wife and his brother,
وفصيلته التي تؤويه.
and his nearest kindred who shelter him,
ومن في الأرض جميعا ثم ينجيه.
and whoever is on the earth entirely, so then it could save him.
كلا إنها لظى.
No, indeed it is the flame of hell,
نزاعة للشوى.
a remover of exteriors.
تدعو من أدبر وتولى.
It invites he who turned his back on truth and went away from obedience,
وجمع فأوعى.
and collected wealth and hoarded.
إن الإنسان خلق هلوعا.
Indeed, mankind was created anxious.
إذا مسه الشر جزوعا.
When evil touches him, impatient.
وإذا مسه الخير منوعا.
And when good touches him, withholding of it.
إلا المصلين.
Except the observers of prayer,
الذين هم على صلاتهم دائمون.
those who are constant in their prayer,
والذين في أموالهم حق معلوم.
and those within whose wealth is a known right,
للسائل والمحروم.
for the petitioner and the deprived,
والذين يصدقون بيوم الدين.
and those who believe in the day of recompense,
والذين هم من عذاب ربهم مشفقون.
and those who are fearful of the punishment of their Lord.
إن عذاب ربهم غير مأمون.
Indeed, the punishment of their Lord is not that from which one is safe.
والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون.
And those who guard their private parts,
إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين.
Except from their wives or those their right hands possess, for indeed they are not to be blamed.
فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون.
But whoever seeks beyond that, then they are the transgressors.
والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون.
And those who are to their trusts and promises attentive.
والذين هم بشهاداتهم قائمون.
And those who are in their testimonies upright.
والذين هم على صلاتهم يحافظون.
And those who carefully maintain their prayer.
أولئك في جنات مكرمون.
They will be in gardens, honored.
فما للذين كفروا قبلك مهطعين.
So what is the matter with those who disbelieve, hastening from before you, O Muhammad?
عن اليمين وعن الشمال عزين.
To sit on your right and your left in separate groups.
أيطمع كل امرئ منهم أن يدخل جنة نعيم.
Does every person among them aspire to enter a garden of pleasure?
كلا إنا خلقناهم مما يعلمون.
No, indeed, we have created them from that which they know.
فلا أقسم برب المشارق والمغارب إنا لقادرون.
So I swear by the Lord of all risings and settings that indeed we are able
على أن نبدل خيرا منهم وما نحن بمسبوقين.
to replace them with better than them, and we are not to be outdone.
فذرهم يخوضوا ويلعبوا حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي يوعدون.
So leave them to converse vainly and amuse themselves until they meet their day which they are promised.
يوم يخرجون من الأجداث سراعا كأنهم إلى نصب يوفضون.
The day they will emerge from the graves rapidly, as if they were toward an erected idol, hastening.
خاشعة أبصارهم ترهقهم ذلة ذلك اليوم الذي كانوا يوعدون.
Their eyes humbled, humiliation will cover them. That is the day which they had been promised.